What is up, everybody? So we are back here with another quick training. Last video I did on MLS, it got a good response, and I just wanted to put together another video because it's been a hot minute and I wanted to go over how to search certain things. We got a request that came out from somebody and they wanted to know, could we search for 2-family homes? And the answer is yes. So on today's 2-minute segment, timer on the clock, and let's go for it. Okay, so if you are part of Long Island Border Realtors and you've noticed that this has recently changed, going to login doesn't take you where you want to go now. You got to click Stratus. Okay, I have my password saved. So for some of you, just take a minute, put in your username and your password, log in. Now, I've had this set up for years. I can't even tell you how long I've had this set up for. So some people have told me that theirs is positioned on the left, mine's up top. To be honest with you, it really doesn't matter. If yours is over here, probably looks like this. Mine's up here. I just like it better this way, and I learned this way, and it's been this way. This is my second version of MLS, so leave me alone in the comments. So the question that was asked is, could we search for 2-family? And the answer is yes. So we're going to go here. We're going to go residential, okay, and then public-private. We're going to go down here. Now, MLS changed. When there was less options, it was actually easier because you really only had the bulk information to search for. Now, it's completely different. You have to search for everything all at once. So you have all this information in here, and this isn't going to get you what you want. But see where it says here, number of families, right? A lot of people don't catch that because they don't realize what it is. But we could put from here, 0, okay, to 2-family. And now this is going to drop down, right? 11,000, we lost 1,000. We always watch the count up here, but that's not going to do it because we don't want to search 2 families for the entire system. We want to search 2 families for our clients looking for. So out here in Suffolk County, we have a lot fewer of them than we would inside of let's say Queens or Nassau or something like that. So 2,119, right? So available 2 families. Take that out. Let's put 1. Okay, 1 to 2 family, 2,000 listings. So now if we put minimum 2 though, this would give us only the 2-family houses, and we'll watch that number drop way down. So 48. So if you're looking to limit all of the houses out that are not 2-family homes, just put in 2 inside the minimum box and watch the search disappear. Now, go to here to submit, and we'll be able to take a look. Duplex, ranch, mid-century modern, duplex. Some of these you're going to have to check with your local municipality and make sure that it's an actual 2-family, but that's how you get to 2-family search nice and quick. So that's your 2-minute Tuesday. Hope it was helpful. As always, if you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and follow along, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel for the longer platform, and we will see you guys soon.